Hello everyone, welcome back to our REVIT classes. On this video I'll be showing you how to create floor one, and then I'll be showing you again how to edit the floor, and lastly I'll be showing you how to create steps with the floor. Okay, remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video if you like this video, to get more updates and more videos when next we post. Okay, today I'll be talking about floor, how to create floor. Okay, it's just a continuation of what we have already established. This is the floor plan that we have been working on. A simple living room, bedroom and a toilet. So we have started from the beginning on how to create the floor, put doors and create our windows. Now the next thing is how to create our floor level. Okay, this is our floor plan. So if you have been following us step by step, you will know that we are moving step by step from this stage to next stage. So on this stage we are going to discuss on how to create floor. So on floor again, we'll go back to architecture. Under architecture we have floor here. So when you click this arrow here, you see we have different types of floor: floor by slab, floor by face, structural floor, architectural floor. So we'll be dealing with architectural floors. So you click on architectural floor. When you click on it, there is a modify or create floor boundaries. So from here, this is our basic tools that you can be able to use. If you want to pick it or you want to create a sketch, you can be able to pick any one of it. So now I can show you maybe 2 or 3 here that we can be able to use. So the first one is pick a line. So we click on pick a line here. So you come and pick a line and then you finish it. So but sometimes you will love to have some extrusion from the floor so that it will show from the floor level. So when you want to achieve that, there is an offset here. You can come here and create maybe 10 extrusion or 20 millimeter extrusion. When you click on it now, click on it, I will show you. You click on it, for instance, now. Okay, so then you use your trim to trim where it's necessary so that you can be able to join all the lines. Okay, but when you finish it here now, you go to your 3D. I want to show you something here. So in your 3D, see, when you click on the floor level, we are seeing this floor level here, so it's not appearing here. But because this extrusion, we have not picked on the right line that will help us to extrude the floor level. So let's go back to our floor level now, floor plan. So let's click on it. Okay, let me see it. Let's go back to 3D, and then click on the floor, and then edit the boundary. So here you can even go back to the floor level. So this one is already extruded inside. So you click on this line and then you can drag it, for instance, now. Let it be out. So during your positioning, you need to be careful on how to position it. Let's finish and see now. Okay, so let's see what is happening here. Okay, so this is our floor, and then with this floor here we are having what? A veranda. So we have not created a floor for the veranda. So let's go back and create a floor for the veranda. So so this is where I want to teach you the next thing. So you click on edit now. So we have used pick plane on pick line. So pick line, we don't have any line that we can pick here and then do our listing. So but what we can use, what this line here, that's line. Just click the line. This one is a sketch. So initially we know the size of our veranda. Our veranda is 1.2. You type 1.2, then you click it, sketch it to what? To 3 meters. That's the size of our veranda, and then you finish it here. So you trim it and then you get it. So with this, you can be able to understand that you can be able to sketch it with this line. You can be able to pick it. This pick line, it will help you to just pick the lines that you want to, and then you finish it. But the sketching will follow it through the process and then sketch it and then you finish it. Make it a closed loop. Always remember to what? Make it a closed loop. Then you finish it. That's okay. When you go to your 3D, you see your flow. So, or see something. This our wall is, the flow is on top of the wall. So that means something is really fishy. But remember our levels here. Our levels, we set our what? Our flow level to be 600. Oh, yes. So now when we click on it now, what are we seeing? Click on the flow. Let's check. Our flow, generic flow plan is what? 400. So automatically it's not up to 600. So now this is the next thing that we'll be doing. I want to be editing what? Our flow, so that I can be able to get the requirement that we need. If here, assuming that it's 700 or 750, this is how you edit it to suit it. When it's 450, 300, this is how you what? You do it. So but for this one, sake of this tutorial, we're using 600. So you come back to your what? Edit. Yeah, edit type. When you click on edit type, you come to your duplicate, just the way we did it in wall. This is exactly how you do it again. Then you name it flow 1, for instance. This flow 1. Then you finish it. Okay. Then you come to edit here and then thickness. Make it to be 600. Then you go to by category here. You click on it. These 3 dots. So when you click on it, come here down to the create and duplicate material. You click and say create new material. Go to the default material and right click and rename it. When you rename it, then rename just the way you did it at that place. As flow 1. You go to the next icon, that's your asset browser. Go to appearance library and then you search for flooring. Here's flooring, you can see, and you click on it, and these are the different types of what? Of floors that we have. So we have the different types of floors. So any one you want. For instance, let's use floor level. I want to use a shelf. Okay, let's use this marble whitening. You double click on it, and then you apply, and then you finish OK, and then OK. So when you finish your OK, you see it here. You see, we have created our wall. So but now you see here is coming out too much. So now I'm going to delete it, and then I'll show you how you can be able to manage it properly. When you go back to your floor plan, click on your floor plan, click on floor. We have already set our material now, but before that, let's come to this pick line, and then offset it. For instance, 50 or use it as 25, or you use it 30. Okay, let's use 30. Okay, when you come, see something, your line is showing in and out. Always make sure that this line is at the outward. If not, it will not come out. Click it outward. Come back here, zoom it very well, and make sure it's outside. And then come back to the front again, and then make sure it's what is out. So, and then here, I'm going to use it and sketch it. I'll sketch it 1.2, and then we'll click it here. We'll finish it. We'll trim it. We'll trim it like this. Then we'll finish it. Okay. So sorry, we're not yet with the trim it here again. Go back again, and then finish it. Go back to 3D. You see it everywhere. It's out now. So now, when you click it, anytime you have created a flow, you don't need to create it again. You go back to this arrow property, and then you search. This is your flow 1. Then you click on it. The material and everything it will show. Are we together? So this is how to create what? To create flow. So now what next again? Then I want to show you how to create what steps. So you want to create steps. We have steps here. We have Revit staircase. So you come here and then click on stairs. So come here, from you set your level, that from base constraints make it to be floor in ground floor, and then the top make it to be what, floor, and then apply. So you come here, yes, so you click on it and then you edit it to the size you want, and then when you edit it, you click on it. Now you finish. So when you finish, let's go to 3D. You see something is at area. You see it. So this is how it will look like. We're creating steps. So this is how to create what? This is how to create your steps using Revit. So if you have it, the number of the size of your floor, if your floor is almost 1 meter, this is how you make it step to reach 1 meter. So you determine it using your floor level. So on this video, we have achieved 3 major things: how to create our floor, one; secondly, how to edit, and then thirdly, how to create our steps. So we're going to be stopping here. We are going to make progress on our next video. Next video we'll be talking on columns, and then how to edit your beams, and then do some general settings so that our 3D model will keep going. So from here, then I'll be teaching you one special and one important aspect of Revit, that's the generic models. So wait, next video, this is what we'll be doing, and after then we're going to generate model. From there we're going to our roof, and then we will make progress. Okay, thank you very much. Remember to always like and comment on this video if you find this video interesting. Remember to share with your friends. Remember also to click on the subscribe button, so that you can get updates on every video we release. Thank you very much. Still remain Boy Tech favorite teacher on Revit classes. Thank you.